All right, welcome, guys. Welcome. Now, before we proceed, I just want to tell you to subscribe to my channel. All right. So, before we proceed, just click on that subscribe button. Click on it and turn on the notification bell. It's just a way of you encouraging us to keep releasing more videos, sharing more information, and giving more updates or making more updates available to the public. Do you understand? So one way you will encourage us to keep releasing more videos, sharing updates, giving informations, is when you subscribe to our channel. Do you understand? So please, before we proceed, just click on that subscribe button. Click on it and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Then secondly, kindly like this video. All of these things put together encourages us to release more videos or publish more videos, to share updates, share informations regarding cryptocurrency generally. Do you understand? So now today we are going to be looking at a platform where you can have access to be receiving signals in spot trading. Now, I know most of you out there must have been looking for a reliable platform where you will be receiving spot trading signals, not futures, okay? Though some of these guys here, some of these, I call them experts, all right? In this platform, I call them experts. So though some of these guys here, some of them are also giving out future signals, but majority of them are into majority of them give out spot trading signals. Do you understand? So if you are one of these guys who are looking for a reliable platform where you'll be receiving signals within spot trading, where you'll be receiving spot trading signals, this is a perfect platform for you. So I recommend this platform 100%. I recommend it and I endorse it. Do you understand? So this is a perfect platform that you need if you have been looking for spot trading signals. Now, when you look at this home page, you will discover that there are a couple of individuals here who specialize in giving out spot trading signals. A couple of individuals who specialize in giving out spot trading signals. Now, they know their onion, all right? So they've done their homework and, they come up with signals within the spot trading frame and they release it to their subscribers. Do you understand? So if you want to be receiving signals, I recommend that you stick to this video. All right, make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, there's a particular individual I will recommend that you subscribe to. Now, the reason being that this very individual, I have followed his pattern consistently, and I can tell you that he knows his onion. All right. And the major reason why I will recommend that you subscribe to his signals, his spot trading signals, is because 70 to 85% of his spot trading signals are always, notice I said 70 to 85% of his spot trading signals are always among Binance top gainers list. Do you get the point? I said 70 to 85% of his signals, his spot trading signals, are always among Binance top gainers list. Within the spot trading frame. All right, in Binance specifically. Okay, now, so you need to subscribe to that very individual. All right, we have a couple of them here, but the person I will recommend is this one here, Emmanuel. So if you want to subscribe to Emmanuel, to his signals, all you just need to do is, first of all, you click on follow. Click on the follow button for Emmanuel. Okay, good. Now, next, you tap on Emmanuel's profile. Just click on his profile. Okay. Now, you just go down. Just go down a bit. All right. So now you see this green button here that says subscribe, $11 per month. So Emmanuel charges you $11 per month. If you want to subscribe to Emmanuel, he charges you $11 per month as his subscriber. All right. So this $11 that you're going to pay to him via his address will give you access to be receiving spot trading signals whenever he releases them. Do you understand? Now, how will you be notified that Emmanuel has released a signal within the spot trading frame? How will you be notified that he has released a signal? First, you'll be notified via your email address, via your registered email address. All right. Secondly, you'll be notified on the app on this platform. Okay. So you may ask, where is the link to the app? Where is the link to the app? Now, the link to the app, or the link that will give you access to register on this platform, I will attach the link in the description of this very video. I will attach the link in the description of this very video. So all you need to do is, after watching this video, just go to the description of this video. All right. The first link there is the link you need to register with. That's the right link you need to register with in order to have access to this platform. Do you understand? So after you've registered with that link, the next thing you have to do is to follow the steps I gave in this video. First of all, you locate Emmanuel among the experts there. You locate Emmanuel, okay? Then secondly, you click on the follow button for Emmanuel on this platform, not elsewhere. All right, you click on the follow button for Emmanuel. Next, you tap on his profile and scroll down. Locate this button here, this green button that says $11 per month. What you do next is you click on the button, the subscribe button. All right. Now you can decide to pay $11, which is for 1 month. It covers it for 1 month. All right. So what you do next, you click on continue. But if you want to pay for multiple months in advance, all you just need to do is you click on this tiny drop down, this blue tiny drop down. You just click on it. All right. So if you want to pay for 2 months ahead, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, the 9th month, the 10th month, the 11th month, or the 12th month, you want to pay for 12 months at once, you can do that. Do you understand? So let's just say you want to pay for 1 month. You just click on 1 month. All right. Or if you want to pay for 3 months, you click on 3 months. So 3 months you pay $33, right? So if you want to pay for 8 months, you click on 8 months, you pay $88. Okay. So if you want to pay for 1 month, you just click on 1 month and click on continue. You click on continue. Then you wait for it to generate the payment link or the payment address. So over here, all you just need to do is you copy this wallet address. All right. How do you copy it? You tap on this copy button here. Okay. You tap on it. You see wallet address copied to clipboard. You tap on it. Then you go to your Binance account and send USDT worth of 11, or you send $11. You sent 11 USDT, which is actually $11. All right. So you sent 11 USDT, which is actually $11, to that address you copied. Now, another thing you have to take note of is the fact that the USDT address which you copied from this platform, okay, that address, the network is TRC20, is a Tron network. Okay, TRC20 is the network for that USDT address you just copied. All right, so you send $11 from your 11 USDT from your Binance to this address you copied. Okay, then for the network aspect, you select TROC20. Once you've made the payment and it shows it's successful from your Binance account, okay, you go back to the platform, you go back to the app, and you click on confirm payment. This button here, this blue button here at the bottom, you click on confirm payment. Once you've done that, all right, just wait a little. You will receive a mail that you have now been successfully subscribed to Emmanuel on this platform. Do you understand? So that's how you subscribe to any leader of your choice, but for the purpose of this video, specifically to Emmanuel. Do you understand? So I recommend that you subscribe to Emmanuel. All right, Emmanuel, you subscribe to him. The reason being that, like I said, 70 to 85% of his spot trading signals are always among Binance top gainers. All right, in the Binance top gainers list, you will find those coins he gave you as signals 70 to 85% of the time among the top gainers list, okay, in Binance. So if you click on the signals tab here at the top, you click on the signals tab, okay, you'll see this guy is giving out signals. This is how the signals will appear once you subscribe to any of them, especially to Emmanuel, whom I recommend. All right, once you subscribe to any of them, this is how you will be receiving these signals. This is how it will appear. Okay, so you'll get a mail, you'll receive a mail notification, in your email, in your registered email address, all right, that he has released a signal. Do you understand that Emmanuel has released a signal? So all you need to do is you go to the platform, the app, open the app, and you'll get to see the signal that he had just released. And what you do next is you proceed and enter the trade based on the signals he provided you. Do you understand? So you enter the trade. So the signals will appear this way, though this is not Emmanuel, okay, this is not Emmanuel, but the signals will appear this way. Do you understand? So it's very important. It's very important. It's very important. So okay, this is Emmanuel. Okay, so Emmanuel's signals appear like this, just as you see it here. This way it will appear in this platform. So once you receive a mail that he has released a signal, proceed to the app, okay, the platform, open it, and you'll see Emmanuel's signal, the one he just released, and quickly enter the trade. That's all. That's all. Then wait for your profit to roll in. Do you understand? If you know how to trade. And if you don't know how to set trades, I think I don't have a video on spot trading, how to set your profits, but I'll release a video on that soon. Okay, I'll release a video on that soon. That's why I said, when I started this video, that's why I said you need to subscribe to my channel. You need to subscribe. Once you subscribe, you turn on the notification bell, so that as soon as I release the video or the next video, whichever video, okay, whether especially within spot trading, in this case, you will be notified and you will come and watch it, and subsequent videos I'm going to release in the future. Do you understand? So make sure you click on that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. It's very important. So Emmanuel's signals, like I said, appears this way. All right, so you just enter the trade, your entry. This is the entry price, the range of entry price. This your take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you understand? So this is your stop loss. Okay, you just enter the trade and you chill. That's it. That's it. So at this point, I have come to the end of this video. All right, I've come to the end of the video. This is how you subscribe to a spot trading expert who gives out signals to his subscribers. This is how you do that on this platform. It's specifically for this platform, or it specifically takes place on this platform. So you need to register on this platform. Now your question is, your next question could be, how do I register on the platform? I will drop the link that will enable you to register on this platform in the description of this video. So after watching this video, just go to the description of this video. The first link you will see there is the link that will enable you to register, or that you need to register with, all right, in order to have access to this platform. You need that link to register with. Okay, just you click on the link and you get registered. So just be careful. the right link is what I'm going to drop in the description of this video. The first link there is the right link. Okay, don't go and start googling, start to use Google to check and to see if you can find out the right. You could see something else. Do you understand? You could see something else. So the right link that will give you or grant you access to this platform, I will drop it in the description of this video. It will be the first link you will see when you check the description of this video. All right. Okay, on that note, we've come to the end of this video. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel and look forward to our next video. Peace.